Looking to elevate your marketing strategy, discover how to create stunning QR codes in Canva that not only catch the eye but also drive engagement. With just a few easy steps, you can design custom codes that reflect your brand's identity and make it easier for customers to connect with you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out. Let's get creative and transform your approach to marketing today. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can create QR codes on Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. Have your other options like design spotlight, business, education, plans and pricing, and learn also. And to create your account, you have just to click over sign up and write your email address and your password. Then you will find the home page, or you can just log in and you find the home page. You click over here and you click over home and you will find this page as you can see. So QR codes are a game changer for connecting your audience to digital content, and Canva makes creating them effortless. With a variety of customizable templates, you can design eye-catching QR codes that match your brand's style, whether for marketing materials or social media. These codes can boost engagement and drive traffic. Get creative with Canva and turn your QR codes into a powerful marketing tool. So right now I will show you how you can get started with creating code. So the first step that you have to do is just click over create a design, and here we have for you docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, website, custom size, and upload. I will click over custom size and I will select here the width first, for example. Then I will select here this, the units, for example. I will select here 9, and then I will select here 9, and I will choose, for example, this units, and I will click over create new design. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So let's wait, and firstly search the template that you want. For example, I will just search for basketball. Then we will find this. So for example, I will select this one. Then let's just scroll down here and we'll click over apps. And let's just search for QR code. QR code. Then I will click over enter. And let's wait for it. So here we have QR codes as you can see. So I will choose for the first one. Here we have add a URL and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So you have just to write the URL here, but firstly let's go and search for this link. So let's go to the index and let's choose, for example, this one, and I will click over share and I will copy the link like that, and let's come back. I will just paste it here like that, and then I will click over generate code. Also we have in the customize, choose the background color you want, your foreground color, and we have the margin here also. So let's put it here. Oh, let's just wait for it. Right now, let's just put this one here. And let's select the QR code here. Let's put it here, as you can see. So here we have the QR code. So right now let's come back and I will show you how you can share this QR code. The first step that you have to do is just click over presentation. And then I will just go to search for the template that I want. For example, I will just select for this one. and I will click over share like that. Then I will select the public view link. Here you have create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view-only version of this design. No sign in required. I will click over create link with watermarks. Once you do that, you will just copy the link, and if you just open your browser here and you paste the link, you will find this. So here we have it. This is the design that we choose. As you can see, you can just like it if you want. So for example, here we have, if you like it, if you want to share it also, and this is it. So right now I will just go back here and I will just create a design again, and I will just click over create new design again, and we'll find the same page here. So all I have to do right now is just to go again to the apps and search for QR codes like that. Then you click over enter, and then you click over here to QR code, then you paste the same QR code here. Then you click over generate code. Also you customize your code. So this is it. Right now I will choose the background color. For example, I'll choose this one. You can also add a title if you want. So like that, as you can see. Then you click over share, and you have just to click over copy the link, or you can just search other options to share, as you can see. Then here we have collaboration link. Only you can access the design using this link. Then we have here also anyone with the link. Anyone can access those down using this link. No sign is required. So I'll select the second one, and we're done with how you can create the QR code. So creating QR codes on Canva is a straightforward and creative way to enhance your marketing efforts. With its intuitive design tools, you can customize QR codes to match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring they are not only functional but also visually appealing. This seamless integration allows you to elevate your promotional materials, making it easier for your audience to connect with your content. Embrace the power of QR codes on Canva and watch your engagement soar. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. And have a fantastic day ahead.